and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samantha and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this everyday makeup look. So if you guys want to see how to do that, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I like to do before I apply any makeup is apply moisturizer. And I'm going to be taking the Vino Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer. And I'm going to put my hair back using a headband just because it's easiest. It's going to keep my bangs out of the way. And I just take a little bit on my hand and I basically rub it into my face, kind of patting it. The next thing we're going to be doing is applying foundation, and I like to take the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this is in the shade Golden Beige. How I apply it is using a beauty blender, and this one is from Morphe. I just pump some on the beauty blender and then start putting it all on my skin. The next thing I'm going to be doing is apply concealer, and I'm going to take the Sephora one in Blondie. I just go like in 3 stripes. Next thing we're going to be doing is contour. We're taking the Wet n Wild contour stick, and this is in the shade 806 Where's Walnut. I just take that and I bring it from the top of my ear, kind of halfway, and then same thing on the other side from the top of my ear, kind of halfway, and then my forehead I go maybe like 2 right here and another 2 right there, and then my chin I take 2, and then right here just to find my jawline. I'm going to be blending this out using the e.l.f. blending brush. And I'm going to be doing the same thing on this side, kind of blending it up. The next thing we're going to be doing is setting it, and I like to take the Anastasia contour kit, and this is in light medium. I'm going to be taking this pale shade in the kit and taking any big brush that I have and just gonna take a little bit of that, go under my eyes, a little bit more, set my other under eye, and then I'm going to set the contour part with this medium shade in the middle. I'm going to be taking my Angle BH Cosmetic brush. And going on my forehead as well, just bronzing up my face. Next thing I'm going to be doing is my eyebrows, and I like to take the Anastasia Brow Wiz pen, and this is in the shade Ebony. The first thing I'm going to do is underline the bottom of my brow. And I start working my way a little bit up. And then in the front of the brow, I start making little brow hairs going upward. And then I'm gonna start doing the other brow as well. Okay, so we're gonna clean up the brows using that same concealer that I used earlier for my under eyes. And then I'm gonna take this e.l.f. square tip brush. Just gonna underline the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. The next thing I'm going to do is apply a little bit of blush, and I'm going to be taking this Soap and Glory Peach Party blush, and then I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush and just take a little bit and then kind of put it on the tops of my cheeks. All right, now the last thing we're gonna be doing is lips. My everyday go-to lip liner is the NYX one, and this is in Sand Beige. I love this one to like make my lips look more pouty and a lot more full. So I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna outline my lips first. And then for lipstick, I like to go in with the Wet n Wild one. And this is a pink lipstick, and this is called Pink Really Hard. And I just take a little bit of that. Okay, so this is the final result of my makeup look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and comment down below. Also subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos in the future. And I'll see you guys later.